Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable cheats in Minecraft, whether you're playing Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. Cheats let you use commands like /gamemode, /tp, and /give to control your world. Let's jump right in. If you're creating a new world in Minecraft Java Edition, click Single Player, then Create New World. Click More Options, set Allow Cheats On. Now click Create Cheats will be enabled from the start. Already inside a world, press ESC to pause. Click Open to LAN toggle, allow cheats on, click Start LAN world. Now cheats are temporarily enabled in that session, you can use commands. In Minecraft Bedrock Edition, mobile, console, or Windows 10. From the main menu, click Play, choose your world, or create a new one. Scroll down in Settings and toggle on Activate Cheats. Once activated, cheats will be available in-game. Keep in mind, enabling cheats disables achievements for that world. Now that cheats are on, open the chat bar. On PC, press T. On mobile, tap the chat icon. On console, use the D-pad or assigned key. Try commands like /gamemode creative /give@p diamond buduste sword /timesetday. You now have full control of your world. And that's it. That's how to enable cheats in Minecraft Java and Bedrock Editions the easy way. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what commands you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and have fun exploring with cheats.